The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor stands as one of the most aggressive, high-performance trucks ever built, and in this video, we're taking you through a full deep dive review covering its exterior, performance powertrain, interior comfort, technology, and overall pricing so you know exactly what makes this beast worth considering. When you first look at the 2026 Raptor, you immediately notice its bold attitude. Ford keeps its signature wide stance, flared fenders, and raised suspension that instantly communicates off-road readiness. The massive front grille carries the bold Ford lettering, accompanied by redesigned LED headlights that look sharper and more futuristic than ever. There's a more aerodynamic hood with deeper vents for cooling, and the overall shape feels more muscular, giving the truck presence both on the street and in the desert. The 35-inch or optional 37-inch off-road tires add an intimidating finish, making it clear that this truck is built for terrain most vehicles wouldn't dare attempt. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Raptor continues to push boundaries. Under the hood, you get Ford's upgraded high-output EcoBoost engine, delivering a thrilling combination of speed, torque, and responsiveness. The acceleration feels immediate, and the 10-speed automatic transmission shifts with precision whether you're cruising on highways or climbing rocky surfaces. The enhanced suspension system with Fox Live valve shocks allows the Raptor to glide over rough terrain like it's nothing, giving drivers a shockingly smooth ride even in harsh environments. The exhaust note is louder, deeper, and more aggressive, giving you that adrenaline rush every time you press the pedal. Whether you're dune bashing, trail running, or simply daily driving, the 2026 Raptor offers unmatched versatility. Inside the cabin, Ford has stepped up luxury levels without sacrificing ruggedness. The interior feels premium with high-quality materials, bold stitching, and supportive performance-focused seats that keep you comfortable during long off-road adventures. The huge center touchscreen remains the heart of the dashboard, offering seamless control over navigation, media, vehicle settings, and drive modes. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, giving you precise information about your speed, terrain status, tire pressure, pitch and roll, and more. Ambient lighting adds a modern touch, while the upgraded sound system fills the cabin with immersive audio. Rear passengers get more legroom, improved seat cushioning, and additional charging ports, making the Raptor practical for both family trips and thrill-seeking journeys. As for pricing, the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor continues to sit in the premium performance truck segment, and its cost reflects the technology and capability it delivers. The starting price is positioned competitively for its class, but optional packages like the 37-inch tire setup, advanced off-road packs, upgraded interior materials, and premium audio can push the price higher. Still, for enthusiasts who want a truck that can dominate off-road landscapes while offering everyday comfort, the Raptor remains one of the best value propositions in the market. This truck isn't just about power, it's about personality, adventure, and the thrill of pushing limits. The 2026 Raptor is built for drivers who want more than a vehicle, they want an experience.